Do you wake up tired, with no energy, as if you never get enough sleep? Throughout the day, your body feels heavy, your mind is slow, and your motivation gone. It's not your fault. And what if I told you there's a proven way to restore your energy and youth? Over time, your mitochondria, the energy factories of your body, wear out and die. The result? Chronic fatigue, body aches, brain fog, and premature aging. And here's the worst part. Most people think this is normal, but it doesn't have to be this way. Fortunately, science has discovered a way to reverse this loss of cellular energy, introducing advanced mitochondrial formula, the supplement that reignites your cells and restores the energy you've lost over the years. Unlike stimulants like coffee or energy drinks that only give you a quick boost, this supplement targets the root cause, the health of your mitochondria. This advanced formula combines scientifically proven ingredients to boost your natural energy levels, rejuvenate your cells and slow down aging, sharpen your focus and mental clarity, reduce inflammation and body aches, boost your energy naturally, say goodbye to fatigue and regain your stamina all day long, rejuvenate your cells, increases NAD+ levels, one of the key compounds responsible for your vitality. Improve your memory and focus with PQQ and acetyl-L-carnitine. Your brain works better and faster, helping you stay focused and sharp. Reduce inflammation and pain. The combination of curcumin and quercetin helps relieve muscle and joint pain so you can live pain-free. But pay attention. This supplement isn't available in stores, and only a limited number of bottles are produced per batch. It's premium, high-quality ingredients are in high demand, and supply is running out fast. If you want to secure your bottle, you need to act now. If you're ready to restore your energy, vitality, and youth, don't wait. Click the link below and try advanced mitochondrial formula today. Feel the difference in your energy, mind, and body.